Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Queen, and I am here with my another video. My this video is about some beautiful and very amazing kind of designs like of beautiful heels, very beautiful and trendy designs of latest footwear which looks very amazing, very beautiful and very amazing with your every kind of outfits and every occasions. Like, we'll talk about that further. And as you see, these are some designs which are really unique, but like in different kind of colors, and this one is also a very color combination of a white along with some shiny silver kind of colorful embellishments. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful color combination of a leopard print with the white color combo. It looks very amazing and it looks very beautiful and very different. And this one is also a very nice kind of black color heel, and V shape from the front looks really beautiful. Like, as you know, there are different shapes of heel. Some include the curve shape, as you see on the screen. These are very like curved kind of shape from the front, and some include like pointed V shape or square shape, and there are very different kind of shapes are also introduced in the these footwear era. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful kind of heels. These are the open from the back and in many colors. And as you see, this one is also a very nice gray color heel along with some strips on the top. And as you see, these are some pumps which are perfect for winters, like to protect your feet, and also looks very beautiful and comfortable. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful black color heel. It's a pencil heel which looks really amazing and really pretty. And this one is also a very beautiful kind of heel. It's very amazing in a black color and also available in green color, which looks really beautiful. This one is also one shade in that heel, which looks really amazing. And watch this video till the end, then you will get some ideas about the different kind of heels that can help you to upgrade the collection of your heels and make it more interesting, more beautiful, and more pretty, and help you to choose the perfect pair with your outfit and make your outfit more beautiful and embrace your personality. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful kind of heel. It's in a blue color and also available in different colors and in the same design, which is a very like good thing if you you can choose the perfect color according to your outfit. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful slipper. It's a flat footwear which looks really beautiful, and this one is also a very amazing color combination of a black and silver along with a very shiny kind of things on the top that makes your heel more beautiful and more pretty. And as you see, this one is also a very nice green color heel, the like royal green color, which looks really beautiful and it looks really amazing. And this one is also a very pretty heel which looks very different, like the unique kind of pattern, and the color is also very pretty. And this one is also a very amazing heel. It's in a golden color along with the very unique shape of the heel, which looks very pretty also. And as you know, heels are that type of footwear that you can wear with your every kind of outfit, like it's eastern or it's western. You can wear heel with both of them and along with every kind of outfit. And you can wear heel in every occasion, like it's a wedding, it's a birthday party, or the normal casual routine. You can wear heels. They looks very beautiful and very amazing with the each with your each outfit. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful color combination, like the different kind of pattern on the side, which looks really pretty. And this one is also a very amazing kind of color combination of the heel, which looks really different. And this one is also a very classic and very beautiful color combination of a red and golden color, which looks really like beautiful and very cute kind of thing. And as you see, this one is also a very pretty. These are some plaid footwears which looks really beautiful in the same design but in the different color, which looks really amazing, and these are very comfortable. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care, and thanks for watching this video till then. Bye bye.